Welcome to the Frasers SsangYong video walk round for the SsangYong Korando. This is a brand new SsangYong Korando 1.5 GDI turbo petrol Ventura. It's finished in dandy blue metallic with the soft grey interior. Like all SsangYongs, this car comes with a 7-year 150,000 miles warranty, and it's got a great level of specification. On the outside it includes diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, rear parking camera, front and rear LED daytime running lights, front fog lights, electrically operated and heated door mirrors, roof rails, and it has a host of safety features as well, which helped it get a 5-star Euro NCAP crash test score. These features include automatic dip in headlights, so that's putting the main beam up and on and off by itself, hill start assist, hill descent control, emergency stop signal, autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, traffic sign recognition, front vehicle start alert, driver attention alert, safety distance alert, a suite of airbags as well, and the SOS emergency call system. The car also features automatic headlights, and it has a great specification inside as well. That includes height adjustable driver's seat and rake adjustable steering wheel, front and rear electric windows, electrically operated and heated door mirrors. Also has a touchscreen infotainment system which features DAB radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, and where the rear parking camera comes on. The car also features air conditioning, front heated seats, and cruise control and steering wheel audio controls. The Ventura comes with a digital dashboard as well, which you can change to suit. All sorts of settings there as well to adjust your driver assistance settings. You don't need them all on if you don't want them on. Plenty of space in the back as well, one of the biggest in class. 60/40 split fold in the seats as well. And in the boot it comes with a retractable load liner, and it's a split level 2-tier boot. So these panels, if you don't want them there, you can have a larger boot. So at Frasers SsangYong we've always got a great selection of offers on the Korando. To find out about them you can visit our website www.fraserscars.co.uk. You can also give the sales teams a call. Our Falkirk branch is on 01324 632 333. Our Edinburgh branch is at 0131 443 2293. You can visit Frasers of Falkirk SsangYong at Glasgow Road in Camelin, Falkirk. The postcode is FK1 4JQ. You can visit Frasers SsangYong Edinburgh at 553 Gorgie Road in Edinburgh. Postcode is EH11 3LE. Or if you're watching this on YouTube, then leave a comment in the comment section and we'll get back to you that way as well. So thanks for watching. We hope to see you soon.